guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 15. I look I look bad. I look terrible this morning. So I was up last night until about 3. I was just cleaning up all of the stuff that I had over by my vanity table, some boxes. I had so many things just kind of laying around and finally got all that situated. I need to get a cup of coffee because I have to edit the Vlogmas from yesterday, and today is a very, very big day. I don't think we've used this mug yet for Vlogmas, so we're going with the I Heart New York mug because I absolutely love New York. Let me first address that I know we barely have any footage from today, but I'm gonna rewind it back a bit. Rewind it back in 3, 2, 1. That was a terrible snap. We are in...
I don't know why she's walking. It's...
Dang girl, you're gonna get run over.
Stop for her. I don't...
On our way to the airport, we're like already... Oh my gosh. We have to like filter... So we are almost to the airport and we're really excited. There was a lot of traffic getting here, but we are finally here. Somebody's here. Wait a second. As you guys saw, the big surprise, Darren is home for the holidays. So he arrived this morning and he's gonna be here until 2nd of January. So it's definitely going to be a wonderful, wonderful Christmas. We're so happy that he'll be able to spend the holidays here. So the next couple of weeks are gonna be really busy and everything. We just spent some time with him this morning and then we dropped him off. He's really involved with CFCY, which is Couples for Christ Youth, and we dropped him off in Valencia with his friends. So he spent the afternoon there, but Hubs and I ended up coming back here at home. Last night I was up like until like 3:30. I was pretty much just like cleaning up. I woke up at I think like 6:30, so I barely got any sleep, and trust me, like it really hit me the later part of the day. So we came home, took a nap, and then we went to go pick him up in Valencia, and then here we are, we're back at home. So he's kind of just chilling in his room. It's been a really, really great day, and we're so happy to have him here at home for the holidays. So it's gonna be very eventful the next couple of weeks. It is that time again for us to open one of the 24 days of tea from David's Tea, and we are on day number 15. Chocolate orange. Chocolate orange. High caffeine, steep between 4 to 5 minutes. Ooh, this actually smells pretty good. Today we had some boba. We also had some fried food, and then just a little while ago I had chicken nuggets, to be exact, from McDonald's. So I'm definitely not feeling the healthiest. I actually feel kind of bloated right now, so I'm glad that we're having some tea. But I think after this, I'm still gonna have my jasmine green tea just to kind of detox and de-bloat. Here is our perfect spoonful. Chocolate orange, rich, zesty, and decadent. Ingredients: pure tea, chocolate, orange peel, natural and artificial flavoring. This contains 5 calories. Let's go ahead and open the Trader Joe's 24 chocolate days till Christmas. Day number 15 is right here with the penguin. And let's see, what do we have for day number 15? Get this out. I think this is a reindeer. It looks like it's a reindeer. Okay. All right. Pretty orangey color. Although, now that I look at it, it kind of just looks like regular tea. I don't really smell anything. Go ahead and try chocolate orange. You can taste that little hint of chocolate, a little kick of orange to it, but I would have thought though that the orange and chocolate would have been a little bit stronger, but it's not. It's not bad. It's not my favorite. It's just alright. So it's time for our daily tea talk, and today's topic or question is from Miss Purple P. My question for you today is, if you could pick only one thing to eat for the rest of your life, what would it be? Hi Brittany, thank you so much for commenting. took the last couple of days to really think about this question because I couldn't really narrow it down just to one specific thing. That one item, it would have to be eggs. The reason why I chose eggs is because you can cook up eggs many different ways. You can eat an egg as a hard-boiled egg, you can make it scrambled, omelets. That's the thing I like about it, is that you can make it in different textures. You can basically just eat it that way and it's fine as is. So my answer would have to be eggs. Go ahead and eat our little reindeer chocolate. Please comment down below any comments, topics, questions for the next upcoming days. I can't believe it. We're almost to Christmas. Really enjoy having these tea talks with you guys, and you guys seem to really enjoy it as well, which is most important. I'm going to clean up. You can hang up the ornaments and then just hang out with the fam. Go ahead and hang up day number 15. Right up. Just hang it up here. All right, I can't believe it. Almost all filled up. Go ahead and end Vlogmas day 15 here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my apologies. I know today wasn't, I didn't have that much footage, but I hope you guys understand. Hope you guys had an amazing Saturday. Have a great Sunday, you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 16.